So yeah, when I had actually finished college, I did get a lot of heat from other people telling me, why haven't you done like a UCAS application? Like, why are you doing an apprenticeship? They're lame. Like, they don't really understand why you want to do that. But if you follow your heart and you know what you want, it will be worth it. And I can honestly say that an apprenticeship has changed my life, and all the experiences and opportunities that I've been given, I wouldn't have had if I didn't do an apprenticeship. So I'd really encourage you to follow what you want. And definitely have a look at other people who are doing apprenticeships to get any advice you may need.
So I wanted to do an apprenticeship because I really wanted to take the skills I was learning and apply them within a practical setting. I loved academia, I loved being in seminars and learning new concepts, but actually being able to build applications that would be used by 60,000 customers weekly and be involved in teams which were doing incredibly exciting work with, subject matter experts in the field was just unbelievably exciting to me. And I thought, why don't I get the best of both worlds? Why don't I do my degree apprenticeship, get my formal qualifications, learn from these incredible tutors within this academic institution, while getting this invaluable opportunity to grow my network, to do incredibly exciting job roles.
The reason I became an apprentice was it gave me the ability to gain real life meaningful work experience and get a degree at the same time. Because for me, I wanted to keep learning and keep developing, and I don't like standing still. So it gave me the real opportunity to earn whilst I learn and gain the relevant industry experience that would give me a real advantage in the world of work when all my peers go to university and don't get the same level of experience as I do.
I love the job that I do. I think it's good fun. I have a feeling if I went to uni, I would have probably been a lot more delayed with everything that I've been through. So far I've managed to go through and learn a lot about the software development processes and how it all works, as well as learning how to use our full OutSystems development environment. So I've managed to learn a lot, and it gives you a lot of good experiences as to what to do, what not to do, and so on.